Hey everybody, it's me, your boy RJ. Today we're replacing some power wires, Solenoid 83 Ford truck. We would do a ground, but I don't have time today. I got to get on here and unhook all that. I got hockey, but it needs to be, it's rigged and junked, but we had to do this. This wouldn't even connect anymore, and because of it, it was welding itself here and welded to there, and when we had to get the other one off, it broke. So we got the new Solenoid. It's standard motor products. I'll put a link in the description. If there's a YouTube link, I'll put that, and there'll be a little clip. If not, it'll be in the description, and it's a Amazon link. Okay, so first thing you're gonna need is a 9/16. Sorry, 9/16 socket to remove the power line that goes directly to your starter. This is the kick switch. When your ignition goes to here, that turns on, lets it know to get the power through, and turns the starter. Boom, boom. Got it? You know if you know. Okay, so there we go. All right, and then what we're going to need to switch to is 5/16 for the 2 bolts on the side of the fender wall. They're going to be a little difficult to get to because of the way the solenoid is fatter than where the mounting bracket is on that side. The starter one is just a connector post. It's just right on there, okay? So here's your new solenoid. Same style setup is the one you want to get. 12 volt. And you see S and I. S is where you're going to plug the connector on. This is for if you have some other types of electronic coordinate things. I don't know if it's for one of the newer vehicles. There's gonna be some like accessories or something. Okay, I don't have that. They do not come with new bolts, do they? No. So keep your bolts. They're not gonna get new ones for the mounts on the wall. Don't lose them, because like I said, they ain't gonna give you new ones. And try to adjust it, like I said, because of the solenoid shape, so that you don't have to fight it so much. This one's a little better set up, where I'm not fighting on by the shape. Okay, well, get them mounted good. You bought a truck, even if you don't have the problem we have where it's arcing, it's probably a good idea to replace this. You don't have to, because if it ain't broke, don't fix it. But this is a 32-year-old solenoid. I'm looking at it. This is probably factory, and they were made better. This is not going to give you anywhere near that time. Okay, but it's that old. It wouldn't hurt you to.
Well, if it's the age of the truck, it's 40 years old.
40?
40.
Oh my God. I'm so old.
See, you're
I said born. 30. I'm trying to make it younger, because if the truck's younger, I'm younger. Good Lord. Yeah, it's 41 years old, maybe 42, depending on what year it was built in. Ugh. So yeah, so it wouldn't be the worst idea to go ahead and change that out. You're going to get the washers and the spacers for all of this here, if you want to change them, okay? Go in here if you need to. These aren't always going to be these push style. Come here. These sometimes are this style, and then you need some of these little ones. Okay, be careful here so we don't lose them. I need the big one here, and then I need my power cord. So I'm going to put on here the spacer, I think, between them, but I'm not going to put it on battery yet. Lock washer between them. Again, back to the 9/16. Oh, wait a second. Did they go smaller? All right, they did. The new one's smaller. So my socket measurements may not be right for you. This one? It's a half on the new one. Okay. And this is moving more than I want, so I'm going to tighten those mounts. I don't know if it's going to help, is it? It just seems like it's the bracket, ain't it? Just give it. Okay. we're gonna go back here and reconnect this guy. And hold on. Make sure when you're putting this on that you have this set with the part up, and then that goes the easier way, because I had it flipped to the other side and it was gonna be like, it would have to spin. It would be really annoying. So make sure you got that set up good. You could go a shorter power cord, but I like that I have a little room to move it around here. When I disconnect from the battery, you could probably do, what do we got? Is this a foot long? Yeah. You could probably, if they have a 10 or an 8 inch, get away with it. But then you'd have a hard 90 pulling over the battery, which anytime you bend the wire too much, you cause internal breakage over time. More likely, so it gets short. It's a little tight. I'm going to retighten it a little more just to be sure.
It's just
kind of wiggling.
I think it's weaker metal.
It is weaker metal.
Probably.
And I'm going up and down like this. Be careful, because these type of bolts, you could over tighten them and strip out the hole. But it's a little better. Okay, nice tight connection. If you don't have a tight connection, that's how you get arcing, sparking, and it welds it. So make sure you have it good. Put a washer in there if you got one in between to make a good connection, but we look like we got a good connection right here. All right, so we're gonna take this guy. Let's make sure it's a 1/2 inch, right? Yeah. Okay, loosen it up, set it on, and like I said, you can have a shorter one if you want, but see, I wanted to do it like I have a little of that going on. So I want to make sure it's some room. Sucks for these is, so this only goes this way, this self-connector towards this way. I would like it if the bolt went out that way instead, but just nothing you can do, it's just how it's set up. Okay. Try not to hit the sidewall, sometimes you can cause it to arc. I'm going to grab my smaller socket and see if we can tighten that better. Okay, so with the smaller socket I can get in all the way and move good and make sure I got it tight. That guy's good. This guy's okay. Like I said, I'm going to replace this cable. I bought a new one. Do we have it either?
No.
Put it inside already? Okay, so hope it helps you get a little clear connection. We're going to start up, see how it rolls. See if it sparks or anything. It shouldn't. I got everything. Okay, so here we go. It ain't been running for about a week or two, so it might take a second. It's got electric. There we go. It'll take a second. It ain't been running a week or two. Got a few more things to get done on here, and we'll have her all ready. We let go, see what happens. Let go. Should be good. Get some fresh gas in there, but look at that. Turn pretty good, y'all. Pretty good. So a little more work we gotta do. We need a new radiator. It leaks a little, but it's barely. Finish the exhaust. We got safe light coming. Safe light repair for that crack right there in the window, because that won't pass the Missouri inspection. And then put the exhaust pipe on, the tailpipe from the muffler back behind the tire, and we should be good to go. Okay, so hope you liked the video. So please like, subscribe, check back for more updates. We're gonna do a lot more of this
eventually.
We're gonna do this stuff. We got a lot to do, but stuff to get it inspected, get it plated, and we're gonna toenail all that. So, all right, hope you like it. As always, I'm RJ. Seize the day, each and every day. Bye bye.